Hi there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Wise from the Manager, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add link previews to WordPress sites step by step. Now imagine this: you've just written an incredible blog post and you want to share a link to a fantastic resource, but it's just a plain old link and it doesn't look too enticing, right? Well, that's where link previews come in. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of adding link reviews to your WordPress website. Not only will it make your content look more engaging, but it will also help you keep your audience hooked. Now, before we start, take for example this particular blog post. It has links in it, like this particular link here, and also this link here, but they are just the regular links. Now, while these links are okay, it could be better with a link preview added to it, like this particular link right here. This is also a regular link like this, but what makes it special is the link preview added to it. Now this is also another blog post, and this is also a link, but with a link preview added to it, and that's what makes this special. So I'll be adding this link preview to a particular blog post in my website, so you want to stick around so you learn how to do this for yourself. Now let's head on to our WordPress dashboard. Now to do this, we'll be using a plugin called the Visual Link Preview. So scroll down to plugins, add new, and here we'll search for the plugin we are looking for, which is the Visual Link Preview. Now this is the particular plugin. In my own end, it says it's already activated, but in yours it should be showing install now. Then you click on install and click on activate, and that should probably it. So let's move on to our posts and select the particular post we'll edit. Now for this particular example, I'll be using this post, thoughtful DIY gift ideas. Now click on edit. Now you can see this post also has the regular links, but we'll be looking for one to add the link preview. Now let's use this particular link. So I'll click to copy this link, and then I'll hit the enter button in order to add a new block. Then click on this plus sign here and search for the link preview or the visual link preview. So this is the particular plugin, so click on it, and this is how it looks. Now this first option here is for you to add a link, an internal linking to this particular post, and the next is to add an external link, but this particular link right here is an external link, so I'll use this next option. Now see how this link has been made to be more prone and appealing for your users to click on. Now you can also make some adjustments to this particular link by going over to your right corner. You may want to change the image. You can click here, change image, and select any image from your media library, but in this case I'll leave the particular image that was generated. Or you may want to remove image, but I'll leave this particular image. Then scroll down, you see open link in a new tab. This should be on, and in case you want to set your links to be a no follow link, you can also leave this activated. Then scroll down to change the style of the particular link preview we are having. So while this is the default, you can change to spotlight. Now you see how spotlights look like. This particular link has now changed to this format, making your image more bigger, compact, Now it's just based on you, which one works better for you, which one attracts more click for you to your internal links. Just know which one works better and choose to work with that. But for my own case here, I'll just go with the default, then update, and that's probably it. Let's view our post. Now you can see we have this link here, and as we scroll down we'll see the other link and our particular link that we added the link preview to. And there you have it, guys. Not only does adding a link preview make your content look more inviting, but it also keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. So go ahead and give it a try. Enhance your content, captivate your readers, and watch your website shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any WordPress tips and tricks. Bye for now.